What is going on, guys? Check it out. The trees are blooming, the sun is shining, and the trail is calling my name, or actually it's calling the Raptor's name. Today I decided I would take out the Ford Raptor TRX-4 just for a little run. I've added some new obstacles since I've featured the course on the channel last, including this rock pile, this little seesaw bridge, and I've added some more rocks into the pit. Unfortunately, I busted the antenna off of this here. This was just a custom antenna that I put on here. It was just bound to happen after a few rollovers. It just would happen eventually. The light bar is on. Don't need the top light bar because it's plenty bright. We can see where we're going. Let's get right to it. The articulation, the tire flex. If you guys don't know what tire flex is, it's when the rubber of the tire forms to the surface a little bit. It looks pretty cool. Here's a fun fact as we come and tackle this obstacle. This obstacle right here was actually the first one that I built for this course, and then I kind of built everything else around it. In case you're wondering, the diffs are both locked right now and I'm in low gear. Really gives me the maximum crawling capability. If you have any kind of bridge or something, put some nails in it. It will give the trucks a little bit of extra traction to grip on, and if you have a winch, you can go ahead and hook up to that and it can act as a tow point. Right now, since there's no ice, it's pretty easy to tackle this bridge, but nonetheless, it's a good idea to have it because it doesn't hurt. One of my favorite obstacles right here. It's just so cool to get to see the underside of the truck. And now that I've gone all the way through the course, we're going to go ahead and run it backwards. Believe it or not, coming back over this obstacle right here, the direction that the truck's about to go over, is actually one of the hardest things to do on this course. You wouldn't think it, but it actually is. I'm going to pause here for a second. There's a spider right there. Not exactly sure what kind it is, but we don't want to find out the wrong way. One thing's for sure is that a course like this is an absolute breeding ground for snakes, spiders, and probably ticks too. That was a sweet save. Still can't make it up this obstacle though. Watch this rear tire back here. Let me get up here. That's our issue right there. There it is. Alright, we got it. We're good. First time on camera doing this Seesaw here. I've only done it a few times off camera. Let's see how we do. It's all about really lining up right. Not bad. Oh, we were so close. That was really, really close. You can see it's just wide enough for those tires to get on. It is wide enough for the Sport to tackle it too. There we go. Second shot, not bad. Now I'm gonna come up this steep rock incline here. This is a pretty steep one actually. Of course, now that I want to film the outro, the sun is going to go back behind the clouds. Unfortunately, it was behind the clouds for most of that run, but it did not take away from the truck at all. This was a great little run on the course. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I do have plans to take out the TRX-4 Sport soon. Probably going to do a very similar video to this one. I've also got some rock lights on that truck right now, which I'm going to make a video with pretty soon because they're custom. It's pretty cool. Stay tuned to the channel, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.